Welcome, guys. Let's continue with the series Top SQL Interview Questions, which is asked in most of the interviews and maybe as Viva questions in top colleges as well. Okay? Before getting into the questions, guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Right? Now, let's move on to the third SQL interview or Viva question. Okay? It is how to get all the names from a table which is starting with a letter A without using like operator. I will repeat how to get all the names from a table which is starting with a letter A without using like operator. Okay. First we will see how you will do it with like operator. Okay. It is select employee name from employee where employee name like a percentage. Okay. Guess most of them already knew this. It's pretty simple. Okay, how you do that without using like operator? Then we have two ways to do this. The first one is using substring keyword. Okay, how we can query it? Let's see. Select employee name from employee where substring. What is the syntax of substring? We just saw it in our last slide, right? Substring column name, comma, starting position and length of characters to trim. So what is the question here? Employee name starts with A. So the first letter of employee name should be A. So the starting position is 1 and the number of characters is also 1. So substring employee name 1 comma 1 equal to A. You got it, guys? See, we got the record which starts with A. So now you are clear, right? Let's see another way of doing it. This approach is too bit easy and you can clearly understand how it works. That is using char index keyword. We just discussed about it in our last session, right? Okay, let's write the query. Select employee name from employee where char index. What is the syntax? Char index character you want to search. That is A, comma the column name employee name equal to 1. 1 is the position. See, we got the same record. So these are the two ways you can find the employees whose name starts with any character. Okay, that's all for this session. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up button below and click on subscribe button as well. If you have any queries or need more clarification, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Good luck all. We'll meet you in the next session. Bye bye.